my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to Mercy with the Styles channel. In today's video, guys, I'm sharing with you how I decorate for summer. It's a summer to fall video, guys. So I'm getting ready to decorate my home for fall, but I want to share with you how my dining room was before I will do everything. And those beautiful plates that I get some times ago. And you know, when it's summer, whenever the season is here, I always go how the season is. If it's summer, summer. If it's fall, fall. Okay, guys, I always love to put cheese tray in my kitchen because my children love it. In case when they wake up in the morning, they have something already prepared for them, just like a to-go snack. And guys, this is how everything is, and I really love how everything turns out. So guys, if you like the video, if something that you think you can recreate at your home, I would encourage you to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friends and family, guys. And make sure to come back to see the fall decor that I start preparing for you guys. And in those plates, and I really love them because you can see the lemon and the colors, everything is beautiful. And I get this vase from Z Gallery and the plates from Dollar Tree a while back, and the flowers I get them from Burlington, I believe. And you guys know the food tray is something you can get anywhere. I got some of them at Walmart and some of them at some club. And guys, I really love everything turns out, guys. I'm going to let you watch the video. I hope you enjoy it and keep on watching.
Got nothing to say when there's no